how's your MCO been going? It's, I also don't know what day already, but yeah. I have something in front of me that we bought during the 4th of April sale. Now, I don't even know how we stumbled upon it, but somehow we bought this. Nah, I'm just joking. So every day, I actually will go into Shopee and I will tune in to see what I need to buy for the house. I think it's an addiction. If only I was this determined in life for everything else, I think I would be somebody right now. But yeah. So we bought this, which is an induction cooker. Not sure if you can see. Original price was 309 ringgit. And then we searched some more. Other outlets were selling at 290 ringgit. Shopee, they had this sale, this 4th of April sale, where we got it for I think 180 or 190 ringgit-ish. So okay lah, not too bad. And the thing is, it wasn't like an impulsive buy because we've been looking for an induction cooker for a while. Once we get our kitchen up, it won't be what do you call it? It won't be installed into the kitchen layout. It will be, yeah, a portable one. So we actually took our time when researching about this. I didn't research lah. I basically went, let me buy. And then he went to research. And then I was like, okay, I think it's okay. He thinks it's okay. So we actually took our time, we researched, and then yeah, we found that it's okay. The item was still available, so we bought it. And bought it at I think 180 or 190 something. So pretty cool. 4th of April, we bought it, and they actually called me to say, hey, sorry, lambat. I was like, huh? Why I have to apologize? Because to me, it's like, okay lah. If I get it within the next week, I'm very happy already. But I know a lot of people are like, no, I want it tomorrow. I don't know. So I don't know what's this. And yeah, I think this is the induction cooker. So time to unbox. So while unwrapping this, so what we did was, okay, whenever you buy something, I don't know whether y'all do it at home, we unbox it outside and then we disinfect everything, and it's ready to come inside. So being a vegetarian, right, you see this, I noticed that after I became a vegetarian, I get cuts and bruises much more easily as compared to when I was eating meat last time, and it takes a while to actually recover. So yeah, those are one of the downfalls of becoming a vegetarian, but I can live with it. So like even opening the box now, I'm a bit careful not to cut myself. Why I open the bottom one first? I'm gonna base totally around the line. I'm curious to know what it. Terrible, I cannot unbox shit. Ta-da! Oh, there's actually something there. Oh, that's much easier. Anyway, oh, it comes with a free pot. Cool. So there's a free pot that comes with it. Wasn't even stated, we didn't even know about it. And unboxing this. So this is the Tefal easy and fast cooking. You can cook prawn, tomato, onion, broccoli, and capsicum. Anything else cannot cook. Anyway, 6 cooking functions, high heating power boost mode, 10 heating levels for precise heat control, convenient timer for accurate cooking time. Okay, I'm so happy to have this because we've been using the hot pot to cook stuff and the heat is just not high enough. But I've just started getting used to cooking that. Like, I've cooked the whole chicken, not a whole chicken, like a leg. The thigh, I don't know, I don't know parts of the chicken. But yeah, I managed to cook chicken yesterday. And I was like, okay, I think I'm getting used to it. And then lo and behold, we have a new induction cooker. Quick! Okay, so getting rid of this. Hey, got more stuff behind one. So it says easy to clean ceramic panel, 10 heating levels for precise heat control, convenient timer for accurate cooking time, touch and rotating technology for easy time or temperature adjustment. I like them auntie, I read this, I'm like, what's this? Why so technology one? Suitable for pot with flat bottom diameter. It's like I just walk on this. I've never used an induction cooker before. I always use gas cookers, guys. So yeah, this will be one of my first times using it. I think last time when I was in Switzerland, got used every now and then lah. Yeah. So yeah, I like to rip it off. Guys, do you prefer using Lazada or Shopee? The only reason why I use Shopee was because I had this conversation with Lenny, and I was on Lazada and he was like, Shopee cheaper ma. So from then on I kept using Shopee already. Didn't even, sometimes lah I compare, but I find that a lot of things that I want can be found on Shopee, but I think the range is much wider on Lazada. Price wise, I think like a little bit of difference, not major lah. So ever since then I just stuck to Shopee lor. Okay. Got the new technology smell. This is weird. Caution for hot surface. Okay, let me run you through. Tefal. It's actually quite small. I don't know whether we should have bought a bigger one. But let's see once we start cooking. Boil, steam, soup. Ooh, got a lot of functions. I guess this is timer. This is to adjust your heat. Fry, stir fry. Huh? How I really don't understand. Maybe once I start using it then only I know. And then you can pause on. Okay, seems pretty straightforward. I'm seeing whether there's anything else to it. Doesn't seem like there's anything else to it. And yeah, excited to finally use a proper cooker to cook stuff. Because before this we were using like the hot pot one. It wasn't hot enough, and then we were having some trouble adjusting, seeing what was the right temperature. So the right temperature was always the highest temperature. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, let me know how your MCO is going, guys. Are you going crazy yet? Are you all okay? Like for me, I'm actually quite a homebody. I don't think a lot of people know that. So I'm pretty chill, just staying at home every day. I went crazy for a while lah, just like few minutes when they announced extended MCO. After that I'm like, yeah, okay, I'm okay. Been watching a lot of crime shows. So like Mindhunter was a very good one. Basically they reenact actual real life interviews. So they have like Charlie Manson in there as well, a guy named Ed Kemper, but of course all of these are United States social serial killers lah. The US US serial killers. So that's pretty interesting. I don't know, I think all of this has something to do with psychology, so it's very interesting to know and find out how they think, and the fact that they don't have remorse into the killings that they do. Some do, some don't. It's very interesting. So yeah, that's what's been happening with me. What's been happening with you guys? What you're doing at home, like besides cooking? I've been looking for a lot of recipes online also to cook, because I'm like, I don't know what to do with this. Okay, I'm just gonna search. Think doable lah. So yeah, let me know. Bye.